Hi, my name's Tom Durkin. I'm the principal of the John Carroll School. I want to thank you for taking time to visit us during the virtual open house. When you come to John Carroll for your open house experience, you're going to hear a lot about our academics, whether it's through our Carroll Scholars Program, our AP Capstone, the STEAM Academy, the Fine Arts, or the College Preparatory Dance. But when choosing a school, don't choose it just on academics. You're going to hear about all the different extracurricular activities, the variety of different athletics teams, to be able to perform on the stage or to compete in speech and debate or the Model United Nations. But don't choose a school just on extracurricular activities alone. You'll hear about our Catholic identity. You'll hear about how we're named after the first Archbishop of the United States, Archbishop John Carroll, a fervent believer in Catholic education and founder of Georgetown University. But please don't choose a school just on its religious identity. Choose a school that synergistically marries all of them together and provides the experience where every student is known, valued, and prepared. And that's what you'll find here at John Carroll. Thank you.